What's up, guys? So I wanted to talk to you guys today about where I've been the past 2 weeks and why I didn't upload. Basically, yeah, I've been having some difficulties going on behind the camera. It's not like I was just not caring about you guys or not caring about this series. That's not the case at all. I was actually vlogging the entire time, and the whole time I also had this kind of like mental battle going on whether I should or shouldn't upload. So at the end of the day, I just decided it's too personal. I don't feel comfortable with it. And so that's why you're not going to see the past 2 weeks of my vlogs and what was going on. I just hope you guys realize like it's not comfortable for me like ever to share like my weight and my very personal struggles. I do it because I want to connect with people. Like that's what I am truly passionate about. But in this instance, it was just too far beyond what I felt like was okay for my channel. So for that reason, I just can't share it with you guys right now. Okay, so fast forward to present day. You guys are gonna see we have some numbers going down on the scale again. Finally, I will never ever give up on my goals and my dreams and on myself. So that's what's going on here. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this week's vlog, and we're just gonna pick up right where we left off. What's up, guys? I just wanted to check in with you because I'm food prepping. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I am food prepping some turkey patties. They look disgusting right now, but they're gonna look good. And then I'm also about to make some keto popsicles, which I think is gonna help me at nighttime when I have cravings. I feel like honestly it's been so long since I've been in a routine of cooking, which is huge for me. And it took me a long time to get back into my routine with working out. So I am gonna do keto again. Honestly, I've been so up and down. But when I weighed myself yesterday, I weighed in at 189.9, so basically 190. And that I feel it. Like I feel like I've gained weight. But I feel like if I just like get down to business, I can get back down to where I was before and then obviously go to infinity and beyond. Today is Monday, October 8th. It is Gremlin's birthday. Yeah. Yes, I'm talking about you. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. I'm also kind of like sitting here kind of trying to analyze like where I fell off and why. I think I got too fixated on like the deficit aspect, and it's like, oh, if you're in a deficit then you're gonna lose weight regardless of what you eat. I think I just kind of started looking at it as like a shortcut, and I was like, oh well, screw it, I'm gonna have whatever I want as long as I'm in a calorie deficit, no matter how much I deprive my body of like nutrients and whatever else. Obviously, just grabbing my little popsicle mix. Obviously that's not the right way to go about it, and I think it just kind of like took over, and before you knew it, like I'm here. And there's really like no shortcuts in life. Like you just got to do the work, and that's what I mean. I've known that all along, but I think like I had like a little yo-yo, like I started to gain weight and then I'm catching it now and getting back on track. Before I fell into my old habits, which was like I would gain it all back and then some, but this time I'm not gonna let that happen. Hi guys, it is noon on Thursday. I had a flawless day of eating yesterday and I had a really good workout. I did full body. I'm really enjoying working out on my own. No shade to my trainer, I love working out with him too, but when you're on your own and you listen to music, it's a totally different experience. So yesterday, yeah, I had a flawless day with my diet, which I feel like I needed to have just like one day of you know, just get it under my belt, just like get used to it. I feel like my little keto popsicles are like really helping me, because I'm like, oh, I get a treat at the end of the night. It's like something I look forward to, which I know probably sounds lame. But whatever, it's like a little band-aid that's like getting me back on track. So, did I already say I'm headed to the gym right now, and then I have some filming and some events to go to later tonight. So I'm probably just gonna do some cardio real quick, listen to some music. I feel good. I think I'm gonna weigh in tomorrow just to see where I'm at. Sorry if the light is annoying, guys. Dude, the scale is such like a double-edged sword for me, because sometimes it messes with me, and then when I'm not weighing myself, I fall off track. So I wrote down that I need to weigh myself like weekly or bi-weekly at least, because it just helps me stay accountable. And it's so crazy that in the beginning of this journey I was weighing myself every single day. Like, what a lunatic. I'm not gonna do that, but I do need to check in every couple days. I definitely like feel like I've gained weight, like my pants are like tight on me right now. Yesterday what I did was I wrote down my goals and wrote out my schedule, and it just felt really, really good to kind of like check back in mentally and like realign with what's going on. Like, I realized that I haven't written down my goals in such a long time, so it was really nice to do that. I'm still a little bit, you know, feeling out my new gym. That's why I haven't showed you guys my workouts, but you know, we're gonna get back to that too, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing on my own. So it's Saturday morning. I'm not super hungry. This is what I'm about to eat for breakfast. I have half an avocado and 2 pieces of bacon. And then I am also about to make some Starbucks cold brew. Good girl, Chammy. It's excellent. Excellent potty training right here. Good girl, you're such a good girl. Let's go get a treat. I'm headed to the gym. I don't know if I'm gonna make it tomorrow or not. Depends on what I have going on. But this will round out the week with 4 workouts this week. I'm gonna weigh in again Sunday. I feel like this week was really good for me to fight through a lot of fucking shit and just start building these new habits. So last night I tried this keto cake recipe, and it was so good. You guys, legit like a little cake with frosting, and it was so bomb, but I kind of messed it up. I mean, whatever. So I'm gonna go buy what I need to like do the recipe correct, and let's make it tonight. It didn't throw me out of ketosis, because when I've been using the urine strips to test, and this morning when I tested I was still in ketosis. So I was like, amazing. I kind of let my meltdown the other day get the better of me, but at least the good thing is like I didn't reach for any of my like super unhealthy coping mechanisms. Instead, I just allowed my stress to consume me. But I didn't binge, I didn't drink, I didn't do any of the other stuff I normally do, but I have some like hard stuff going on right now that's like making me really sad. The only thing you can do is keep it pushing, keep it moving, like deal with it or don't, which is what I do. So that's what I'm doing. Just gotta keep pressing forward and just try and work on being a better person. not bad. I feel like maybe I put a little bit too much vanilla extract because it tastes like a little bit of like a bitter taste, but it's pretty good. So when I weighed myself on a Sunday morning, the scale said 185.5. So that brings my total weight loss this week to 4.5 pounds. So it kind of brought me back down to where I was before. But this is also exciting because this is the lowest I've been so far in my journey. This chapter of my journey, because the journey's been a long time. I think that progress is a huge motivator. Like right now I am so motivated and set. Like I don't have any desire to go off of keto, or now that I've built this like new routine of going to the gym, like it feels good. It's my time for me, and yeah, I feel like I'm just like beginning to build these healthy habits again, and that I'm hoping that they just kind of translate to everything else in my life. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you tune in next Monday and every other Monday following that. I promise to be better, and I'm never going to give up, and I'm always going to be working on myself and trying to be better. And I think that's the only thing you can do, is just never give up. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you next Monday. Bye.